So keep pushing hanggang gumana. Basta mag-add ka at tumulong, okay lang sumama. Walang pake sa mga harang, focus sa aking craft. Gumagalaw ngayon para sa aking hinaharap. Yung pag-angat ay swabe lang, di minamadali. Dags mo pa nga pero hindi ka din mapakali. Aming galaw ay laging all about the riches. Tulak ng musika related to sa business. Masyado kang mababaw kung hindi mo yun abot. Nagbibigay ng gem, hindi nagdadamot. Gumagawa ng art, pinadaan ko lang sa rhyme. Nasaksihan ko galing ghetto, naging big time.
See, most people are waiting for permission, waiting for the right time, waiting for someone to come save them. But here's the truth, being broke is temporary, being tired is temporary, being alone.
Nasaksihan ko, gusto kong masaksihan mo din. Kung gusto mo, ginagawa mo, keep pushing. Madaming pera, daming kotse, tapos peace of mind. Di madaling ma-impluensyahan kung anong hype. Hanggat buhay may pag-asa, salamat sa taas. Di tayo magkiklik pag di mo gusto sa taas. Mas gusto sa labas, shoot music video. Kami ay payaman, i-document sa video. Mula ilalim, ang importante makaahon. Hindi lang puro angas to, disiplina meron. Nagsisipag para may laruan ako na Benz. Tawagin mo ko Mr. Maker, Mr. Good Sense.
That's your superpower. And you know what fascinates me? The number 0. Most people see 0 and think nothing. But let me tell you something profound about 0. It's the most powerful number in existence. Why? Because from 0 you can only go up. Let me share something personal with you. Years ago, I found myself staring at 0 in my bank account. 0 opportunities, 0 connections, 0 idea of what to do next. I was sleeping on a